Yellow spinners, Alex Sukhov is here and today I will show you how to do Twisted Sonic. It is a good trick in pen spinning which is often used in different combos, mainly as a filler. Twisted Sonic is a hybrid trick which consists of two simple tricks – charge and pass reverse. I have tutorials for both of them. If you still haven't seen these videos, check out the playlist with the trick tutorials on this channel. It looks like this, and actually it is a pretty simple trick, but it requires some time to learn how to perform it nicely. Later you will understand what I mean. Twisted Sonic can be made in slots 3-4-2-3 and 2-3-1-2, palm down and palm side. Of course, I will show you how to do it in slots 2-3 and 1-2, as it is much easier to learn in these slots. By the way, if you don't know what slot means, go and check out the video about basics and terms in pen spinning, and then come back. To perform the trick, take the mode between ring and middle fingers, almost outward to the floor. Fingers are relaxed, a little bit folded. Keep the middle finger a little bit closer to one side, so the larger part of the pen would look up. You can prop the mod with your thumb as well. Now, straighten the fingers, pulling the mod out. You need to do charge. Pay attention on your index, it should go down a bit, and when the mod goes behind it, lift index finger and grab the mod in slot 1-2. That's a pretty simple trick, I don't think it would take you long to learn. Just try to do it as circle as you can. I mean, charge should look circle and especially pass. That's where I had some performing troubles back then when I were learning this trick. You can practice charge in 1-2, holding the pen closer to the end, like this, making it look round. To test yourself, to understand that you perform the trick correctly, you can take a single capped mod and look which side lands in thumb flap at the end of the trick. If you still haven't got a pen mod, go and check out the specialized shop for pen spinning, penstock.at, where you can find this mod, for example, which is called Nature Edict, a lot of other pen mods, big choice, good prices, spare parts for them, everything for pen spinning, with the delivery all over the world, in United States, Europe, Asia, doesn't matter. One price for delivery everywhere. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, let me know about that, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. Pen spinning grows and blossoms here. May the style be with you. Bye.